Alright, welcome everybody to our latest set of reviews, and we're going to look at some new customs today, and this time it's going to be Megatron and his troops. Now, like the Wreckers, this was not, it's like an originally intended combiner from the start. It sort of just happened, and a lot of the parts are were chosen semi-randomly. That's why it's like, you know, it's just his troops. They don't have a specific name. They're not a specific team, if you will. So we have Megatron. It's like as a jet, based on the Cyclonus mold. Because I really like the idea of having it's like a Voyager Megatron that could combine and fight Optimus. You know, and be it as Ultra Prime or Optimus Maximus, whichever your pick. And then here we have a bunch of others. We have a Barricade, and it's like a Lockdown, as well as a Soundwave and and a Crankcase, as well as a little Ravage. And we'll get more into them in the individual reviews. Now, like I said, originally this did not start out as a quote-unquote team. We had, it's like, I'll get more into them individually with, like, I originally just tried to make it's like a Barricade. It's like out of the Prowl mold, and for fun decided to make a Crankcase. It's like from the First Aid mold, and you know, just to reuse that one. Eventually also settled on the Soundwave and a little Ravage. And this one here, the Lockdown, was a gift. And we're going to go into more details on that shortly. And all of these were painted to some capacity. It's like all of them, it's like from Cool Jazz Custom. So we're going to get into that now. Alright.